Oh, I got a fish.
You got a fish. That's a f***ing pike, isn't it?
There we go. It's a fish. Oh wow, he's dark.
He kept it real.
Holy shit, is he dark?
Damn, bro. Let me take my glasses off real quick. Damn. I'm about to start fishing the net rig. You got more set up?
Yeah.
You got more.
I don't have any more Helgermites, so unfortunately.
That is A-okay. Oh, you did baby deer.
Oh yes, that's f***ing cool. Right there.
Right, bro. Look at them, bro.
Yeah, that. Chomp. Yep.
Yeah, I got him that time.
I was like, bro, he is.
Hey, bro.
He came up, bro, and he was like, hey. Waved at you.
Oh, I got him.
Nice.
Oh, it's a big one.
Is that a pike?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a giant smallie.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Huge. Get him over here.
Yeah, pink one. Bro, he's. Oh, man.
Oh no. Wrong way, bro. He just keeps going out more and more. Yes, sir.
Oh my God,
Let's
bro.
go.
Hey, bro. Definitely look at that on the phone, bro.
That's 2.5, 3 all
Hey,
day.
bro.
Let's go.
Hey, bro. Shout out you, bro. You can see it, bro.
Beautiful.
Love it. Bro, he's so chunky. Out here in these sticks, bro. You already know us.
Oh yeah, that's 2.5 all day. Nice.
Gotta grab the phone out real quick.
Look at this.
Holy shit, bro. That's a bro.
Oh my. Oh my.
It's on a GoPro.
Yeah, for sure. We hooked that up.
I did on video. You seen the whole fight, you were right there. Oh, bro. You got something?
Oh my God.
You got something nice?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, wow.
I'm so bro.
Yeah, just keep him out of the way. Keep that tip up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you go that way, start that way.
What is going on?
Bro, I don't know, but... Oh, good shit. Oh, I got
Good net. Good net. Oh my God.
Ooh, bro, that is a fish.
I swear to God. Bro, that's back to back.
Hey, bro, same
my
hole,
God.
bro. Look at that. Oh, my.
That's another 2.5, bro.
That is
I'm saying yours was 3.
Just grab your hook.
I'm saying yours was 3. This 2.5.
Hey, bro, grab the phone nonetheless, bro. You know what I'm saying? Grab the phone before you even got the fish.
I'm so hurt, bro.
For what?
Because we should have a picture. Yeah.
Ooh. Hey, bro, I'm having the life, bro.
Bro, this is insane
This is
smallie
nuts,
fishing.
bro.
Bro.
Pigeon River, bro. Unreal, bro. Here, grab your fish, bro.
Oh.
Chunkers only, bro. Look at that marking.
Oh.
The markings, bro.
Bro. I'm hurt we didn't get a picture of your fish, bro. It looked just as good.
I just knew it was a nice fish.
Oh, yeah.
Give me a nice fight.
Oh, bro.
Got another one.
More than a nice fight. That was pleasing. Bro, he was so long looking out there. I was
Bro.
like, that's a pike.
Bro.
And he had his fins up, bro. His back, his dorsal fin or whatever. He had it up nice.
Yeah, bro, he was definitely working against us.
There we go.
Hey, double.
Nice. Finally a double, baby. God, these smallmouth fighters, I love it. Oh, you got it? Look at that. Oh, of course. Bro.
That's a fail.
Try to be nice to you, bro, and you smack me in the face with water.
Hey, you don't know how to revive them. That dude sees that shit.
I'm gonna post that now, bro. That clip. I love that shit. Bro, look at that. Another one.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, yes. That was pleasing.
It's a nicer one, bro. Maybe not.
Oh.
There
Oh.
was two.
There's three, bro. Did you not see that?
There was two on there for sure, though. Trying to keep my weed, bro. That's how I'm gonna for real. Yes.
Look at that.
That's a nice smallie, bro.
Beautiful.
Go. Hey. Let's go on that one, bro. That's legit. God damn, needed that, bro, bad. Oh, that's a nice smallie. Definitely a pound and a half. What do you think?
Probably pound and a quarter.
Expect it. Yeah.
I wish I would have brought the scale, bro. Cause we would have weighed a lot of these. I'll be honest. These have been some nice chunky fish. I hate when the thing does that, bro. Wraps around the lip. There it goes. Get a flick of him. Right here, is it on?
Yeah, it is on.
Thank God. Got all that.
I'm about to get this.
He swims right into it, the lure.
I love that shit, bro.
Be careful, it's in your net. See that? Cast right underneath that branch, bro. Into the sand. Like, see if you can get underneath it. Just do that. Yeah, he's to the right more. You see him? Oh, he's coming to you now. Yep. Where's my net?
Oh.
Get out of that. Where is he, bro?
John.
Bro, I told you though. He was ready for that shit. He saw it, bro, took off. Darted for it.